police even carry me come here. He say you dey do and undo. You dey change lives. That's why I can't come here. Because poverty don't show me shege. Poverty don't do me. I don't suffer. Even my head got big for inside the poverty. That's why I can say, make I come here, come meet you. Since you dey perform miracle, you dey do things. But Trisha, basically give me POS machine and the money might take start business. But like this, I don't want do business. Let me say, yes, they say they make 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, yeah, like that. As the way your level take day. But me, I want the financial level. I want to say, I dey make money under 1 month. I go build out some people. They will scam. They know which country with poverty. Poverty will far from where I dey, far from my generation. That kind of money, can you see if you done now? Where they would tell me, say, now they tell me say you don't do this one. This one small now. It's too small for you, prophetess. I know say it's too small for you to do. I beg you go do this one for me. You sure so I will come thank you.
Time go say you know say na the solution center you come so. The person may show you road, he show you where. Nobody don't come here, may go back the same way. See, now me they tell you so, you must go back with different way, you must carry your solution go back. Now me they tell you so, and me they tell you, anybody don't come here to testify, you must go back in a different testimony.
Prophetess, when I did come here, my spirit tell me say now the right place you dey come so. And really I reach here, I dey see am and my dream go come true.
Is the POS machine with you?
Yes, prophetess.
Is the money with you?
Yes, prophetess.
Bring it out.
Okay, prophetess.
Doctor, put the money here. Put the POS here. Money enter 100,000 naira per day. Enter. There are rules you must obey.
Prophetess, which rule? Get it rule I don't fit do. You know thing I won't do before I even get this thing. Anything, I swear to God, I will do all of them. And that's as much which kind you want me we cannot fit for this life. You know they exist. Prophetess, I tell me now, my head the
Number 1 rule you must obey. You will carry this machine as you dey go so. Now mean the spirit dey hot. As you dey go so, no just look back, no look front. As you dey go so, just reach once you reach your POS place for the work. You reach there, you sweep the place well and you sit down. You go see customer will dey pack, they come. But number 1, don't look back, don't look front. If you look back, I want you do. Not come here, come tell me say no work. If you look back, I want you dey. But I say come for here, they run, they go your business center. Quick, as spirit dey hot.
Take you, prophetess. I will do all wetin you tell me.
Go. I say go and never turn back.
That na small thing. I'm not because they look front they go. I'm not going to come back. Go make me dey turn back when I see solution. Hey, prophetess. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank God, oh. Thank God. Hey, thank God. May I will check the viewers with you bless for me, sir. Prophetess. Oh, see my machine. God bless you. Prophetess, too much.
Prophetess, what would do? Yours gets came free money. You know yours gets you never ask which money I want to do for use for that side. Yours work hard, they go like food. Now she know that to concern me. This money that we should take back to perform miracle like that. My hair be like this. You know your soul, you know yours get sense. Just if you money, just one come dash and give me. Thank God, I don't carry my chef, my prophetess work. Abeg, God, bring customer come for me. Make she come here first, then later I will tell her. I got my revision. Nonsense.
Too much. But wait, oh. I don't get money again. I don't have you safe. Only machine. Only machine. Money give me. This man don't look back. I want to work now. I want to work. Hey, Ruto.
All these stupid girls. Na so miracle dey easy to perform of money. Na she ask make I dey stay. I no fit get money to pay. I no fit get money to tighten up the house. I so dey easy na me no get the money. See the air. See air I dey carry. See air. I get money. I no put those woman those woman wey dey sell 300,000 naira. Mumu. This one go reach me to buy paint. This one dey paint my house. It's all do my hair. Rubbish. This one go reach 50 o.
Hey, which kind of yawa be this one? Which kind of trouble be this one? Wow. But this man not look back. I no go look back. But I want about to take work. Man, go first shot now. Man, just say go.
Make I chop her finish.